Here's a quick guide as to how to use the NESO Tec Register. We know it can be a little bit daunting. It's updated on Tuesdays and Fridays, so here's how to check. Once you've entered into the Tec Register, you can download the document here, open the file, and you'll get an Excel spreadsheet. Click the search engine at the top and enter your project. This time we're looking at Springwell. Search the document and there we go. It shows Springwell Solar connecting at Navenby. So we're going to expand these so that we can see the substations in the list there. Now we're going to highlight the substation list and search Navenby. That will then open up all the projects that will connect to that substation. You can see in the columns it tells you how many megawatts are connecting and at what stage the project is. You can do this for any of the substations, any of the projects. Column A is the name of the solar or other development. Column B is the developer company. Column C is the substation. It can take a while to get used to using the Tec Register, but I hope this helps, guys.